I just want to say I'm sorry that I sound like somebody's son. What's up guys, it's Sophie. I woke up and my voice was gone. Like I have no control over it. My vocal cords are just like, bitch, like you would have thought. Hopefully my voice being raspy is not too annoying, but we're back in my kitchen. In the spirit of the season, I'm going to be making peach cobbler. I don't know if peach cobbler is even a Christmas or a seasonal dessert or dish, but I've been craving it for a minute, so we're making it today. This is my first time making peach cobbler, so I don't know how it's gonna go, but I wrote out on my phone like a list of instructions. Let's begin. Today, we're going to be using the Pillsbury pie crust. Oh, I could have just gotten one. There we go. So this is the pie crust. Oh, it's already rolled out for me. It smells really weird. Now, okay.
I'm already having an issue here.
Number one, is it just me or does this definitely look dirty? That's the problem. We don't have like another dish to put this in. So I guess this is just gonna have to work. But it doesn't though. Maybe. Or you know what I could do? Since I have two more in here, I can like combine this and this together, make it big enough so that it fits. I can't find a rolling pin. I don't even think that we own one. So I found this. I don't know what it is, but it resembles a rolling pin. So we're just gonna use this. I'm annoyed that like I haven't yet done the first step. How am I going to stretch this out? I'm gonna cry.
15 minutes later. Boy, if you don't get...
I feel like this has already gone to a very bad start. We have our pie crust. It only took 20 minutes.
It's disgusting.
We have another thing of pie crust, which we are going to use to make our top layer. So this is fairly easy, or should be fairly easy. I maybe shouldn't be doing this on my counter because I don't know how clean this is. We're just gonna slice this into 8 slices. Top coat done. Oh my god. Next, we're going to be working on our filling. So obviously, peach cobbler, we have frozen peaches. I don't know how many we'll need, but I'm just gonna put in all of them anyways. Next step, 2 cups of sugar. In the video, she wasn't saying her measurements, like how much sugar she was using. So I was really honestly just playing it by ear, but this is how much sugar we have. Oh, this is not even a full cup. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, I feel like this is definitely enough. We're just going to mix that together. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Just sugar and peaches. Oh my gosh, this actually smells so good. I'm about to try one. Wait, this is not bad. Hold on. You can almost like feel the diabetes flowing through your system. So you're supposed to let these sit for a little bit. I don't know what happens. I think the sugar... I'm not even gonna say something and it sounds stupid, but you have to wait. I will be back in like 15-20 minutes. We're back and I'm looking at my peaches and these are very sugary. Like, I don't know if you can see. The sugar melted into the peaches. Now it's just like the sugary, liquidy substance. The next step is to add melted butter. I'm not going to put a lot. Oh my god. Oh my god. This butter is literally moldy. Do y'all see that speck? That's mold.
Ew.
Alright, so this is how much butter I put in here. I feel like this is a good amount. So we're just gonna put this in the microwave.
12 seconds later.
Oh my god. Next, we're gonna add some vanilla extract. I'm really playing it by ear. Like I don't have any type of measurements at all. Our peaches are done, so we're gonna go back to our pie crust. We're gonna add some cinnamon sugar. I didn't even know that that was a thing until today. This smells so good. Oh my gosh. Guys, I feel like this is actually gonna be like
Successful.
Then we're going to add our peaches in. I'm gonna give you guys like a closer view of what I'm doing first of all, because I know that you see these peaches and I know that they look sexy as hell. I don't know how to make this look nice, so we're just gonna put our slices over like so. Oh my god, y'all see that crisscross? Like, oh my god,
Beautiful. Beautiful.
next we have some egg whites. We're going to be brushing over the top of our crust to give it that, like, you know, that golden brown color.
Why do I keep dropping things?
So I'm just gonna pour the egg whites in here and then just dip the brush in. I feel like a real ass chef, like. And we're gonna put a little bit more of this cinnamon sugar on. Okay, so this is ready to be put into the oven. I'm so excited. Oh, I didn't even preheat the oven. Yo, I'm stupid. But wow. Wow. You don't want to take your peach cobbler or whatever, put it in, and now we wait. Okay. Fire. How do you take this off? Everything's okay. Okay, so I literally almost burned
The freaking peach cobbler.
Now I have to, after 30 minutes, put a cover on it and then keep it on for 25 minutes. I don't even know if it's good though, because after it started burning and then the fire alarm went off, I turned down the heat and it was supposed to be at 400, but I turned it down to like 250, 290. Now I need to find a cover. I'm probably just gonna use this. Bitch, is you blind? Oh, I'm so stupid. I can cover it with aluminum foil. Okay, I put a cover on it, so we will leave it there. Both timers went off. 25 minutes just went off, so now we're ready to take it out the oven. Bitch, I'm excited. Oh my god. I'm really just in awe. Like, wow. I feel like this video is not gonna be as funny because what I was making was actually successful. I don't even know how to properly cut peach cobbler, but we're just going to make myself a little square. We got a spatula right here. Definitely struggling. This whole piece really just came apart. So here we have our piece. I definitely messed up the piece, but like it looks good though. Y'all see this? Oh my god. But we're gonna try. First bite. I'm excited. It's not bad. It is doughy. I messed up the bottom part by putting the two things of dough together. I shouldn't have done that, but whatever. It's good though, like it's not bad. So that is it for my video. If you guys enjoyed it, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what else you'd want to see me make in Sophie's kitchen. And yeah, I'm about to go finish the rest of this. Thank you all for watching. I love you all very much, and I will see you next Saturday with another new video. Bye.
I think that I've been dead since the start. I haven't took too much inside my heart, but I don't even care no more. I'm